All right, this is the faded cowl trim from my 2008 Honda Element. It needs to be cleaned up. So I'm gonna show you in this video what Solution Finish is. It's a black trim restorer, brings back the black. It's as close as I've ever seen to basically a paint almost. But I've got a bucket here full of soap and water that I'm gonna clean this off with so I can make sure that all the grease and grime and all that stuff is, and a little collection of pine needles is removed from the cowl. And then I'm gonna start using this Solution Finish. And by the end of this video, you'll see I'll wait a few weeks to show just how good it looks in a few weeks and let you know. Also, I realize this is a giant bucket of soap and water. I was cleaning some other parts, so I'm not trying to shove this whole thing in there, but it does kind of look ridiculous that I'm using one of these giant storage bins for soap and water, doesn't it? But hey, gotta do what you gotta do. All right, that's a pretty good starting place. And we'll dry it off, clean it with soap and water, and see where it goes. I'm actually just using Dawn dish soap, by the way, and if that doesn't work, I'll add some degreaser and see what that does. So if you're doing this on a Honda Element like me, you're gonna need to basically wipe this down with rubbing alcohol. You are going to need to remove this in order to make sure that you can get the whole thing covered. The way that you do that is you squeeze these and push them through the hole. I'm not sure that I can do it with one hand, but you can kind of see how it works. I'm not going to be able to show you this because I'm by myself and with one hand I can't do it, but if you use one finger to put a little pressure on the top of that clip and then squeeze your pliers with the other hand, it'll pop right out. This is the instructions for the Solution Finish. Wipe the surface to be treated with rubbing alcohol. Shake your solution bottle very well before opening. Apply a small amount of product to a microfiber sponge. I don't have a sponge, so I'm going to use a microfiber cloth. Wipe the product on the surface you're treating, then thoroughly wipe off excess surface oil with a microfiber towel. Gloves, eye protectant, spread a thin coat over the area in an even motion, covering it completely. No masking required, but be sure to remove any solution from painted surfaces. To prolong shelf life, periodically shake the bottle, blah, blah, blah. I'll link to this below if you're interested in it. I'm gonna use one to spread it on and one to wipe it off. And then I'll use this guy to clean with the alcohol. Consistency is goopy, so I'm gonna shake it some more. Gloves on. I cannot find my glasses for some reason, but I'm gonna be pretty careful with this. So this stuff looks pretty amazing. It is definitely a dirty process. And supposedly this can spontaneously combust as the oil dries, so you've got to be careful with the rags and clean them quickly afterwards. But otherwise, it looks amazing. So this is what it looks like almost 2 months later, and this is after 3 straight days of rain. So I give this a thumbs up.